has been a while since I've filmed. I got this desk the other day, just recently, and I'm going to use it as my vanity. I'm sure somewhere in the title you can tell that out. Anyway, so this video is going to be me organizing it. I did get a desk and then I'm just going to get a mirror. I'm thinking I want a round mirror to go above to like kind of make it a vanity. Right now I'm just going to be using like a smaller mirror on my desk, and I was going to like put all my makeup back on the floor as it had been, but in the spirit of making this very authentic, I'm just going to have my makeup on my desk looking very disorganized from whenever I did my makeup this morning. So you will see that shortly, and let's go ahead and get into the organization. First off, I've literally just been sitting on the floor doing my makeup. I moved the makeup mostly over there. It had been kind of like more in the center of the room. I moved it over there whenever I moved this desk in there. And as I was saying, this is from doing my makeup this morning, and this chair is not going to be a permanent thing. It's just going to be there for now. We actually got this chair for $5 at a thrift store. I do like that it has arms, but eventually I do want to get something that looks nicer, I think. So here's kind of an overview of what we're working with now, and I just appreciate how authentic I kept this for you. In that little basket over there, I'm thinking I want to keep an extra blanket. So right now I'm thinking have a couch here, and then I can't remember what I wanted to put over here. Nope, can't remember. Then my desk here, and then right here I would like to put my TV because it'll be, you know, on the opposite wall. I do already have a TV to go there, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. Maybe kind of an open storage unit that has like pretty stuff right here. I don't know. What am I talking about? Okay. So right now, let me show you also the desk before. I kind of want to show it to you whenever everything is cleared off. So I will do that in a second. I knew that this was the desk whenever I opened it up, especially, I already liked the aesthetic, but I like that it comes in with organization already in this drawer. And then this does lift up as well for additional organization. Let me show you that. So this just kind of opens up, and then you can put more storage back here. Okay, this is probably a weird angle, but this is what it's going to be right now, at least. Also, eventually I do want to get some sort of contact paper or something to go inside these, so that if makeup spills, it doesn't get, what's the word I'm looking for? It doesn't get stained. So I'm just going to be putting paper towels there for now. And then eventually, like I said, I will be getting some contact paper, so to kind of prevent that problem. Initially, I'm thinking eyeshadow palettes in this one, so let me get my eyeshadow palettes for that. Also, my brushes are here. I'm going to get a better container for these makeup brushes. I feel like there's more, but this is what it's going to be for now, at least. Previously, I had my makeup in my dresser, and I was never totally in love with that setup. I do like this, though. I kind of like the aesthetic of this unit situation. Ooh, okay. So I might keep that, but I have like my lip products in these containers, which I do not see myself using. I'm probably gonna put my lip products in here. So I guess, like, let's just start. And then obviously, like, it's not necessarily permanently here, you know, it's not an eyeshadow palette anyway. It's good. This is not an eyeshadow palette. This is like my most used eyeshadow palette. For now, maybe, or maybe, you know, put my face palettes there. I know that you can't really see the drawers perfectly right now, but I will show an overview of what they look like at the end. Like, I want everything to be in here, so I guess maybe face products here. Would that make sense? So here's my foundation. Got my concealer. Like, can Can you even see this drawer? No, you can't. You can see it better. Okay. How about that? Here's my concealer. But I'll just add those. This one I really need to finish up before using the rest of my other one. Like, does anyone else do that? Like, you don't feel like getting the last little bit of this out, so you kind of just start another one, and then you have two of the same thing open. I know it's not the best. And then maybe, like, this is my under eye powder that I use. Also, this is face powder. Face powder. Look, I have another face powder. Yes, yep, right here. And then, okay, so that might be it for the face stuff. And I feel like I might put more stuff in this drawer, you know? Oh, wait, here's another concealer. What do I want in this one? I feel like this might be lip. And then maybe if I can get a divider to go in the middle, maybe, on the other one, but you can't really see. Oh, yeah, you can a little bit. Now, this is another eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I feel like, I don't know, like, I like that these fit in here, and then what am I gonna put in this spot? But I like the idea of having all my bronzers together, and these are like bronzer contour palettes, and this is bronzer slash contour. That's what I use it for. That's bronzer, and then bronzer. Like, I have the most bronzers, probably because I'm very fair skinned and I kind of need help with that. So I don't know, I might not use those. You might not use those, end up using these storage units. I do like them, so if I don't use them for makeup, I'm sure I'll use them for something else. I know this video is full of weird angles and I added more to this desk. And this orange is an Ulta bag that I have like unopened products, like extra products in. This is another eyeshadow palette. Over there. Okay, so in here I think I'm going to put lip products, and I probably want to eventually come up with like a divider, because I like how my lip products are divided out now. I kind of have like lip creams, liquid lipsticks and stuff, and this one, and then the other one is lipsticks and lip liners. But I guess for now, I will just put everything in here and hope that nothing stains my drawer. You literally cannot see anything. But yeah, I definitely want this to be more organized somehow. This is what I use to sharpen, and I need to empty this out. That's that one, and then this is unopened. I'm thinking at least for now, I like the idea of having unopened makeup in this back one. So you can kind of see, like, but do you already see my problem with like all of this lipstick? Like, this is for sure gonna need to be organized further because this is already stressing me out. But just for the sake of seeing, I guess if this is also unopened, seeing what everything looks like in here. I'll just put everything in here. Like, this is, I know I keep on saying this is stressing me out, but this is seriously just like stressing me out so much. But it's fine. This is going to get more organized. Back here, I'm going to put unopened items, and I think I'm also going to, at least for now, put my makeup wipes. I don't use them necessarily to remove my makeup off my face so much, but like if I get makeup on my hand or something like that, that's what I like to use that for. And then in this Ulta bag, you can kind of see the very bottom of, I had just been keeping the extras in. This is an unopened setting spray, unopened foundation, unopened mascara. Favorite eyeshadow primer. I've been using this for years. So of course I had to have a backup of that. Another mascara, and then another one of these items from Dr. Brandt. And then another Gimme Brow. Wait, I also have another backup powder. Yay! This, I don't know, like this is just satisfying to me to know that I have backups. And also I can see the backups easier now, so that's also good. Back to this container. Let's see, maybe And then maybe put blushes over here, or I don't really use that many blushes, but like at least I don't know, highlighters. Oh, I don't have mascara in one either yet. Wonder, like I feel like I have a little, like I think I can get a little container maybe for right here and maybe put mascara products there. But also like I don't need this whole container for foundations. That's, I don't know, that kind of seems like a waste to me. That lipstick drawer is stressing me out so much. And they're highlighters, and like honestly, this is basically the only highlighter that I use. But I like having options, but this is my main highlighter. This is Ofra Star Island, and I absolutely love this. Like, should I just put it here? Because I know it doesn't make, it's not like a foundation product, but I use it so much, but it won't fit here anyway, I don't think. Maybe I can make it. Like that'll kind of bother me because it's not fully organized, but at least for now, that's where it's gonna go. And then that way I can maybe put the rest of my highlighters and then blush back here. Because I don't know, to me it doesn't make, like I'm probably not gonna use those as much, but I like having them as options. And then here are my blushes. And this is the blush that I use most often. Like should I just put that there maybe, at least for now? But see, then I also have these cream or liquid products that I need to also put somewhere. And I guess, at least for now, they'll go back here. Illuminating moisturizer, like, this is unopened, I think, right? Let me see, pretty sure. Yes, so you're going in the unopened bin. I don't think I'm going to use that anymore. See, this is also a highlighter, and I don't really like storing this sideways, but I guess like would it hurt it if I stored it sideways? I think that that's so beautiful. I guess I'll just put it back there for now. I also have my primers that are unaccounted for. At least for now, I guess I'll put you back there, and then because then I can do like primers and then foundation. I'm gonna treat this as primer because it's kind of like I put it on before my foundation. Like I said, nothing here is permanent, and even this is stressing me out a little bit. I just want everything to go perfectly in here, and I want as much as possible to go in the desk because that just makes sense to me, and I would want it to look like the desk to not have as much on it. Here's what the desk looks like mostly cleaned off. That might stay here. I don't know, obviously I'll clean it off, and then I just have like a makeup brush there. I forgot that there was additional storage back here, even though I literally, just showed you that earlier. But right now I just have my unopened products in here. And then I also do have a little travel size setting spray back there as well. And I like that that kind of shuts quietly. And then let me show you what this looks like now. I moved the lip products back here. I'm sure that things are still going to kind of move around at least somewhat. Like I said, I do want to like at least organize this a little bit better, the lip products that is especially. And then I have right now, I have my highlighting products right here, and then my makeup wipes over here. Back here I have my blush and bronzer and contour as well in this. I don't know, like at least to me that made sense, but I'm sure I will probably move things around a little bit more. I have these two products because these are kind of like loose or individual eyeshadows, but I use them a little bit more frequently. And then I have my eyeshadow primer, and then this is like, I think it's pigment primer, I think that's what it's called. Yes. And then I have two setting sprays right here, and that is kind of what we're working with, at least at the time. Obviously, I will show you the finished product and that kind of thing as well. Okay, it's a different week and everything, but I finally got contact paper, and I've been waiting to line my shelf, not my shelf, my drawer with this. I actually just got this from Dollar Tree. And also these four are the same size. So I guess once you cut one of them, then just kind of like go for the other ones. Like the same size for the other ones. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and clean this, or there's like hair in there. Just I guess like wipe that out really quick before I, obviously line these. I can already tell you right now that this could have been done better, like using a straight edge or something, but I don't have one of those. So this is what it's gonna be. Like I was saying, this could have been done better, but it's gonna work, okay? It's gonna be fine. So I finished with the shelf liner, and at least for now, this is what it looks like on the inside. You can kind of see the shelf liner a little bit, and like I said, it's not perfect, but I think it works for me. And I'm glad that, I think it was my mom that gave me this idea to line it with shelf liner, contact paper, whatever I'm gonna say. And I'm glad I got 2 rolls of it because I needed the second one for this like larger section over here. But yeah, this is what it looks like for now. And at some point, hopefully I will organize my lip products better, but yeah. Also, I did decide to keep this, at least for right now. I need to organize this top drawer more. I have like tweezers and a nail file and stuff like that in there. But in the second drawer, I have makeup primers. In the next drawer, I have loose eyeshadows. And in the bottom one, I have mascaras. And then I think I do have a couple eyeliners in there as well as lash glue, even though I don't really wear lashes or eyeliner that much. So I'm actually not sure if I want to if I want to put a mirror over my desk, because I actually want to also use this as a desk as well. You know, I have my makeup storage, so it like serves as a vanity and a desk. So I'm not really sure if I want to put a mirror above it, because then I don't want to be able to see myself whenever I'm working at my desk, you know what I'm saying? Also, I'm still not totally sure where I want to place my desk in the office, as you can tell based on the fact that it is in a different, maybe you can see that it's in a different spot now. But anyway, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Once again, feel free to stick around and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And also click right here if you want to see another video. I highly recommend that as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.